on? It's Sam here. Welcome back to the channel. Today's video is going to be a little bit different than my normal video. So today I bought an $850 Porsche Boxster. Now, I'm pretty sure this has got to be one of the cheapest Boxsters in the country, and for good reason. Let me know if you guys know of any cheaper Boxsters that are out there. So first I want to just do a little walk around of the car. So as you can see, the front end's got a lot of sun fading. This fender isn't even painted at all. Missing a corner light. Bumper's got some sun fading. This door right here is pretty trashed. The engine is completely locked out, doesn't work at all, so I'll just pull some parts off that and sell them. More sun fading on the back. Basically, this car is pretty trashed, and it's only really good for parts, and that's exactly what I'm going to use it for. I'm just going to part this car out. But since I was able to get it so cheap, $850 plus $300 for the tow, I'm in at $1150 total. I think I'll be able to make a couple grand on this car pretty easily. I mean, just from the wheels and brake calipers alone, that's almost $800. And then the seats and the one good door, I mean, very quickly this will be up to $2-3 grand worth of parts without even trying. I mean, they didn't make a lot of Porsche Boxsters, so any random parts on this car have the potential to be worth a lot of money just because of the rarity. There's also not a lot of aftermarket support for these cars, so that definitely contributes to the high prices as well. So now I'm going to go give you guys a look at the interior. So all in all, the interior, I would say, is maybe like a 7 out of 10. I mean, the seats appear to be in pretty good shape. You can't really see this one because it's got some trim pieces covering it. But steering wheel's nice. The convertible top is all right, but the plastic screen in the back is broken. But for the most part, this is a pretty good car, especially for $850. I just wanted to have my first Porsche. And honestly, my first impressions of the car are so awesome just from sitting in it and feeling where the driver seating position is and putting the top down. Just imagining driving one of these makes me really want to buy one day. So maybe one day you'll see that on the channel. I really want to buy one of these to drive. Guys, so that's all for today. I know it's a super short video. Just wanted to show you guys this cool little Porsche Boxster that I just picked up. Stay tuned for more 330ci project videos coming on the way. If you enjoyed the video, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe and comment down below what you think about this Porsche Boxster. Would you guys ever buy one? Let me know.